What's up guys, welcome back to another video of my channel. In today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to make a fruit salad. For today, the 4 fruits we're gonna be using is grapes, which we have right here, cherries, which we have right here, we have oranges, and we have cucumber. So now you might be saying cucumber is not a fruit, but it's fine, you can still put it in a salad because yeah. So first off, you need a bowl. Make sure you wash it before you use it. So first what we need to do is we have to empty the cherries into the bowl. You can take any fruit and the quantity is your choice. Next off, we have to empty the grapes. Next off, we have to empty the oranges. 1. If you want, you can cut them smaller. And 2. And for our last step, the cucumber, we have to cut the cucumber. So first we need to get a handy dandy knife. So let me get my knife. And after you get your knife, you have to cut the cucumber. So make sure you take adult help for this. 3. You can cut it as big or small as you want. 4. 5. 6. And I feel like this could be a little bigger, so why not 7? And now now as you can see, these are really thick slices, so we have to cut them into smaller ones. So this one is also really thick, so let's cut it. This one now. This one. And last but not least, this one. So there you go. And now what you want to do is you have to put the cucumbers into the bowl. So right here is my bowl full of fruits and vegetables, cucumber. So now as you can see, I'm putting it in. And last 2 small pieces. And there you go, we have an empty plate, 2 empty bowls, and all of our fruits are in this bowl. So now what we can do is we can put a little bit of pink salt, I don't know what you exactly call it. We can sprinkle it over. There you go. And after that, we are ready to eat it. So guys, this is it from this video. Hope you did enjoy. If you did, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.